This video demonstrates how to use the Inkscape extension to control UUNA TEK U3 product. This is the U3 series Inkscape expansion pack downloaded from the UUNA TEK website. We open Inkscape. To draw a rectangle, select Document Properties in the File directory. Change the unit to millimeters. Set the size of your machine here. Usually measured in millimeters. Same here, in millimeters. Open Preferences. Here is the user extension folder. Click to open. We need to copy the downloaded extended zip file here and unzip it. Copy extension file. Go back to the extension folder and paste it. Unzip it. We need to reopen Inkscape to use the extension. Reopen Inkscape. We can draw a simple graph for testing. After processing all the graphics, click the extensions. Select UUNA TEK 3.0 Plotter extension. Click to preview and generate. You must set up a cache folder to save the preview files. Set machine size in options. There are various parameters such as z-axis stroke, movement speed, and machine size, etc. Click Apply. Here, multi-language display is added. We can switch freely. This tutorial uses English as an example. Here we select the port number for the machine connection. Select the correct port number in the port list. After selecting, click Add, and the port number will be added to the right. If you don't know which port number is correct, you can click one by one. Find the port number shown as CH340 in the lower left corner. Mine is COM6. We add it to the right. Make sure the power is turned on and the data cable is connected to the computer. Click Add, and the software will automatically read the machine ID. Convert graphics to code at the same time. Click Print and the machine will start drawing. It should be noted that conventional machines do not have a mechanical return to origin function. Please do not click this button. We've added a new pause function here. It is generally not suitable unless you have this requirement. Check it to enable function. You can set a time, such as 5 minutes. The machine will automatically pause after 5 minutes. Click Continue and the machine will continue to run.